Preswick model home here in Gainesville, Georgia. The office. So I am going to show you. All right, so I want to show you guys this beautiful property. All right, so I'm going to start the tour so you guys can see it. And let me know what you guys think. I'm just trying to flip the camera. Let's see. Oh, wait, no. I'm trying to flip this. I don't know why I cannot flip this. All right, so here we have...
Mommy, wait.
Hello, James. Old lady here. Old lady in alert. All right, so here is... No, cancel. All right, so I'm going to show you guys. I'm going to go ahead and... So this is the office. This is called a Preswick, which is really, really nice. It is a beautiful floor plan. This is done by Chafin Communities, which is here in, they actually built in the state of Georgia. So I'm going to show you guys from the beginning. For some reason, it's not letting me flip this. Let me see if I can actually do this. All right, so... No, just put it back. Okay, so let me see if I can... For some reason, I cannot flip this. I'm just trying to flip this camera. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and just do it the old way, old fashioned, so you guys can see it. So this is the office. So you guys see the back, the entrance. Really, they're still building. This is the office to the right side, which I love. And I love the fireplace. It's one of my favorite things. I love this formal dining room, which is really, really pretty. I like how they decorate it too. And I like how they have the molding up to here. So if you guys see the molding is like almost my size and I'm 5'4". So you guys can see that completely. So look at the decoration. Look at the chandeliers. So every fixture, when actually you move into a new property, it is really, really important. If you actually wanted to make it like a fascinating change, I would definitely say, hey, you know what? Go ahead and change those boop lights because you really don't want to have those boop lights there. Just because that will make an actual difference. So I'm going to show you a little bit more about the property. So we got the formal dining room area here. And then let's just go ahead and walk straight here. So this is the living room, which I really like. I think you can, definitely you can actually fit a sectional, which is really awesome. You have plenty of space. If you see, you know, it's been nicely decorated versus putting on top of the fireplace, which is really nice. Okay, this one has a Butler Pantry, which is beautiful. I love it. So look at this Butler Pantry. Here you can have your little coffee station. They already have the things for the K-cups and all that, which I really like because I like drinking coffee in the morning, especially with chocolate collagen. It's amazing. So now it is like, you see they changed the fixtures there, which is really nice. This one has a fridge, but I actually like the Samsung fridge, which actually makes it a little bit different, which is really, really nice. And they have a walk-in closet, well, walk-in pantry actually. So this is the same floor plan as I have in my house. So this one is filled with a lot of stuff, but you have a single oven with a microwave on front. I like the stovetop cooktop, which I really like too. This, I would actually make it a little bit different, but I mean, there's so many things you can do, but keep in mind that actually you have to seal your granite or your quartz. So that's really important. So look at this. It's a beautiful floor plan. I love it. It's around 3,400 square feet. This one has 5 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. This is supposed to be the garage, but in this case, this is the mudroom, which I really, really like because it actually keeps everything organized. And it's so, so important. Once you walk from that garage, I have my kids take off their shoes and put them there, which is really important. Their book bags and all that. Here, if you wanted to add a little bit more hooks, you can actually definitely add more hooks. You can actually fit 2 SUVs in the garage, which is really awesome. And here, they actually have a closet, which is nice too. I know they have more stuff there. So in the back, just because this is a model home, they always just go above and beyond. So it's technically always like an over improvement for our property, which is good and bad at times, especially when you're selling and be like, okay, so how much am I going to sell this property for? But in this case, look at this. This is seal screen. No. Julian, you can't go through there.
Why?
Because no. So this has a screen-in porch, which is really nice. It has, you can actually put a TV, has its own fireplace, and it has the fans, especially for the summer, and it keeps away the mosquitoes, which I really, really like, especially for those hot summer days, and those mosquitoes are like, ay! Yep. All right, so let's keep on walking. Do you guys have any questions? Let me see. Let me see. So let me see if you guys have any questions. All right, so then here we have, okay, so there's another room. So what I like about this floor plan, it actually has a bedroom downstairs, which is really nice, especially for guests and all that. Yes, this is like their design room and all, but in this case, it has a walk-in closet. All of these closets have a walk-in closet in each bathroom or bedroom, and this one has conjunction to a bathroom. They will actually change this when they actually sell this one, but in the meantime, we're still a ways away. So now I'm gonna go upstairs. One of the rooms I really like going upstairs is they have an accent wall, which is really awesome. So I'm gonna show it to you guys. And the stairs don't have carpet, which is something that is being done nowadays. It all depends. Most likely the rooms will have carpet and the areas like this will not have carpet. So this is an accent wall. Accent walls is actually something that gives you a different scheme or a different touch to the room versus using that sheet slab. Oh my gosh, sheet slab, whatever it is. But anyways, so this will actually give it different. I would recommend you to look at Pinterest. They have great ideas. And now they're also using the PVC ones, which is really, really nice. So let's look at this. Now they do have the laundry room here, which is actually pretty big. And they had, I think this is laminate. I do like the decoration here completely. Laundry, corp, wash, dry, and fold. I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the master bedroom. And I wanna know what you guys, tell me what you guys think about it. All right, so I'm walking into the master bedroom. The master bedroom has double doors, which is awesome, especially when you're moving. So now we have the master bedroom, double doors, and look at this beauty. It is an oversized master bedroom, which the boob lights, those are the boob lights. That's what I was talking about. Those are boob lights. All right, so now we're gonna walk into the master bathroom. Look at this beauty here. I actually like that. Putting the towels in the bed at the end would be pretty awesome too. So look at the decoration. This is actually, I think this is the same thing I have at home. And I do like the tub, the shower, so because they do have double shower heads, and I do like what they did here too. Look at this. Okay, what are your thoughts so far? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and just keep on walking. So here's the toilet, and then walk into the, you gotta, okay, so are you guys ready to look at this walk-in closet? Tell me if you like it or not. All right, so this is a walk-in closet. So it's humongous, but what I would do is, they do have a few ones, but they will have to be built. I don't know if they have anything available, but I can actually check. This is in Gainesville, Georgia. If it's with a basement, it's a little bit more. It's probably over 600. But if it's not with a basement and if it's with on a slab, it still has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms, which is optional, which is really awesome. Look, I love the floors. Look at the floors upstairs. I think I might just change that. And see how the accent wall makes it a difference? Look at that. And this is the decoration. I really like the sofa though. Really like the sofa. Okay, so then this one has, in this side, because what I like about this is the master bedroom is over there, and then you have 3 bedrooms over here. So I'm going to show you. So now we walk here. See this here? And this one doesn't have a walk-in closet, but it has a big closet. It's really nice. You can actually fit a whole human being in there. So look, see? You can actually fit someone in the tub, which is pretty awesome. So, see? And imagine just relaxing, because look, even my arms, like my whole body is like inside of it, which is really nice. You know, and that's what, I mean, sometimes we do need to have like just soak in the tub and just relax. When was the last time you actually relaxed? You know, that's what I like. I mean, I have all right, so let me, but look at this here. And I love the walk-in closets. Oh, I like this. This looks so cozy and so nice. So look how they decorate it here. And here we have, see how high they put this is like over 10 feet tall. Coconut hibiscus. That sounds good. Hi, Giovanni. All right, so basically the end of my tour. What do you guys think about it so far? No questions? All right, so I'm gonna go down the stairs.